The U.S. Marine Corps confirmed that Marines and sailors from the 22nd Marine Expeditionary Unit, MEU, have been conducting extended amphibious and aviation operations in southern Puerto Rico since August. Coordinated with the Puerto Rican National Guard, the training supports a broader U.S. strategy to reinforce regional security and push back against transnational criminal networks spreading through the Caribbean. As part of these operations, U.S. Marine Corps AH-1Y Cobra and UH-1Y Huey helicopters assigned to Marine Medium Tiltrotor Squadron 263 reinforced flew in formation over Puerto Rico during amphibious insertions from the USS Iwo Jima. These aircraft support close air support, troop transport, and aerial reconnaissance, enhancing the MEU flexibility in dynamic threat environments. The aviation component is critical to supporting over-the-horizon assault capabilities, including vertical envelopment and deep inland insertion, operational features essential in disrupting cartel logistics and denying them maritime access routes. The U.S. amphibious operations are supported by the USS Iwo Jima, LHD-7, a WASP-class amphibious assault ship leading the Iwo Jima Amphibious Ready Group, ARG. Together with the 22nd MEU, the ARG brings a fully integrated U.S. Navy and Marine Corps force capable of rapid power projection, amphibious assaults, maritime interdiction, and crisis response. Training activities are concentrated around Camp Santiago, leveraging the island's dense terrain and tropical climate to simulate real-world conditions found along drug trafficking corridors and littoral zones throughout Latin America. The 22nd MEU is a specialized and highly mobile expeditionary force equipped to conduct missions across the full spectrum of military operations. It includes a command element, a reinforced infantry battalion landing team, a combat logistics battalion, and an aviation combat element. This composition gives the MEU, Marine Expeditionary Unit, the ability to launch combined arms amphibious assaults, non-combatant evacuations, counter-drug interdictions, and special operations-capable missions without reliance on land-based infrastructure. In Puerto Rico, the unit is conducting live-fire training, coordinated amphibious landings, aerial resupply drills, and integrated reconnaissance patrols, all under realistic operational conditions. This deployment directly supports U.S. Southern Command in its ongoing effort to counter the proliferation of transnational criminal organizations which continue to exploit maritime routes for trafficking drugs, weapons, and people into Central America, the Caribbean, and ultimately the U.S. mainland. As trafficking networks adapt to evade detection, the need for highly mobile and adaptable maritime forces becomes more urgent. Amphibious units like the 22nd MEU provide a scalable and sovereign enforcement capability able to interdict illicit flows and project U.S. influence without permanent basing or reliance on partner infrastructure.